How would you describe this day for you as an English born?
Mixed emotions, because today's my birthday as well. I don't want to get too much into the politics of how I feel, but it's a great loss to the nation that we've lost the longest reigning monarch. I don't really have one true opinion of the Queen. She was a great lady. She ruled the nation. I didn't always agree with some of the politics and things like this, but she was a great leader. And she led the nation through the war, and she come to the throne at an early age, and she's had all that to deal with, and obviously with everything that's going on these days with the royal family, I think personally he shouldn't have come to the throne. He should have stepped aside and let his son come to the throne. That's just my personal opinion, because if William had come to the throne, we would have had, like the Queen, another successor who ruled for a long time, whereas King Charles has come to the throne, and it won't be long before he either steps down or, God forbid, dies, and we then have to have another